The error code DE2 on an LG washing machine typically indicates that the drawer is closed but not properly locked. This issue often arises due to a faulty door gasket or a tangled load. To resolve this problem, one potential solution is to replace the door gasket. This involves switching off and unplugging the washer, then removing the top panel, detergent drawer, and control panel. Next, disconnect the drain hose, remove the kick plate, and take out the outer retaining band and door lock. After that, remove the front panel and the faulty gasket. The area around the gasket should be cleaned before fitting a new one. Once the new gasket is in place, refit the front panel, outer retaining band, and kick plate, then reconnect the drain hose. Finally, reinstall the control panel, detergent drawer, and top panel. Another solution is to check the load in the tub, ensuring it is manageable and not overloaded, as this can cause clothing to hang out of the door. Washing small loads, alternating between heavy and light clothes, can also help prevent this issue.